everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya. So today I'm going to be doing a review on an Amazon product. It is called the Sole Sticker. This is what's going to help protect the Christian Louboutin heels. This is my first time actually using it. I actually wore my pair of Louboutins a couple times. So I'm going to try to preserve it because I want it to remain still red. So yeah, this is gonna be what I'm gonna be using, the Christian Louboutin. These are the heels. It's like the perfect shade of pink. They're my favorite, so I do not want to keep ruining them, and I want it to keep, I want to keep the red on the bottom. I mean, you can see that I wore it. I want to preserve my heels because they're so cute and they're really, really expensive. So the whole point of red bottoms is to have red bottoms, not black bottoms, okay? So this is the heel. It's so pretty, guys. Oh my goodness, so pretty. So yeah, these are my pink heels. So yeah, let me show you guys how I'm going to do it. I've never done this, so I really hope this turns out good. So what you need is a sticker, which you can get this on Amazon. It is $10.95. I will link it below as well. So let's see how this goes. And there's instructions too. So trace out the coverage. Okay, so I'm going to need a pen. Let me go grab that. I am back. I'm just comfy in my bed. Okay, so I'll just use my little box to do this. So it says trace out the coverage area of each heel on the 3M backing. Okay, so it's very important. You have to trace it on the 3M backing. So this is what you're gonna trace it on, not on the clear side, on the 3M backing. And place the toe on the front edge of the protector. Okay. So there will be as much possible running up the back. Use a little tape to keep the sticker in place. Okay, so what I'm understanding is, let me see. I'm sorry, this is a little, let me lower this down so you guys can see what I'm doing here. Use it this way. So if I use this, yeah. Kind of use my cute little pen with a diamond on it. So what I'm going to do, okay, I traced. And now I'm going to cut it. I'm a little nervous. I want to do this right. Okay, so I'm just going to cut it. Cutting this out. Going to apply it to my heel. Oh my gosh, I cannot get over how cute this shade is. Seriously. I love my heel so much. So, one thing I should have done is kind of left it a little more up here. Let's see. I'll just kind of do my best here. Yeah, so I feel like I felt a little short. But you know what? Next time I know that I should have left it a little bit longer. Maybe on the other heel I'm gonna make it a little bit longer. Hey, you learn. This is how you learn when you kind of do a mistake on it. But at least I'm gonna preserve my heel, so. And plus, you know what? That side of it you don't really use, I don't think. I really hope so. So, okay, that's that. You can see, it's still red. I would have been so upset if I would have continued to wear them and then it turned black on the bottom, and then it's like, yeah, I have red bottoms, but it's like all black. I would have been super sad. Okay, so now this one's done. Now this one. Now this one's gonna come out good. This is gonna come out the way it was supposed to come out. Because now I learned. Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna try this again. And I kind of traced it a couple times because I didn't want to make it too small because then it's not going to protect the whole heel. So, wait, okay. That I did on the wrong side. I was about to cry right now. I did the same thing again. Why? No, I guess it did cover the whole thing. I also did hear that, that if you do peel it off, that it can ruin the bottom red or the bottom of your heel. I don't know if that's true, so I will do a follow-up video. Sorry guys, I'm actually kind of struggling here. But I will do a follow-up video just to show you guys. So it's just shiny. It'll be like a pretty red. So it doesn't look bad, it's pretty clear. So that's how you do it for $10.95 to protect your expensive heels, especially pink. You always want to protect or preserve your pink heels. They're so cute. I love them. So yeah, guys, that's it. So that was the video for today. If you want to see more videos like these or want to see me do a review on, I don't know, anything on Amazon, anything, or just any ideas that you guys have, please let me know. I'm going to be, like I said in my last video, I'm going to be uploading a lot more videos. I enjoy doing this. It makes me happy and it inspires me, and I'm also going to continue doing content that inspires me and hopefully it inspires you as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.